What does it take to create perfect braids? Braids to connect the world, carry heaviest loads, enable top performances, or even save lives. It takes a vision to design and manufacture braiding machines to meet the highest expectations. For over 160 years, we have been bringing ideas to life together with and for our customers around the world. Based on your requirements, we develop the right braiding solution for your product in close partnership. Herzog braiding machines are ahead of their time, transforming entire industries and generating technical progress. Our broad portfolio of more than 900 machine types includes the right machine for a wide variety of fields: medical technology, climbing, shipping, and fishing, the automotive industry, industrial and textile applications, and even aerospace, whether standard or customized. We consider braiding to be a holistic process, which is why we also build winding machines, take-up and payoff systems, everything from a single source. At Herzog, we never stop evolving. Every day, we chase the next level of performance. Every detail is shaped with purpose, and we do this as a family business. With our team of more than 150 highly motivated and qualified people, our people are the heartbeat of our factory. Engineers, business people, craftsmen, they stand behind every machine and make all this possible. 70% in-house production in Oldenburg and reliable and quick customer support worldwide. We create the solutions of tomorrow in collaboration with the minds of tomorrow, students, researchers, and universities around the world, driven by one question: what can we braid next? We are Herzog, made in Germany, since 1861.